This exercise will focus on defining bond rules and atom mapping in ChemDrawJS. For the synthesis of this indole, we'll first define atom maps and then a make or break rule at that position. Click Draw. You can switch between ChemDraw and Marvin by toggling the buttons up here. Our first step is to install the phenyl as a starting material. You can also use your single bond tools to install the methyl, or you can press 1 on your keyboard. We'll zoom in. We'll install some of the nitrogens by pressing N on your keyboard and hovering above the position of interest. We'll install the reaction arrow. And finally, the indole system. You can do this a number of ways. You can either use name to structure, or you can sketch it in. If you hover above a bond and press the corresponding number on your keyboard, in this case we want a 5-membered ring here, so I'm pressing 5 on my keyboard. We want to change the bond order. You can also change that with the numeric keys. Press 2, and again press N to install your nitrogen. The next step is to map the atoms. We want to map this atom to that atom. Underneath your R tool, you locate the A to A tool. Simply complete the map as shown. To undo the map, click on an atom. So we'll redo this once more. Click Transfer and click Find. This will locate 10,288 reactions. Let's view results. These are in line with our starting material and our product. You can limit by single step, experimental procedure, click Limit to. You can also limit by solvent. In this case, we can eliminate anything that was done in water. Click Exclude. We arrive at 1600 reactions. We can modify the search. Click Edit and click your little pencil. Zoom in. Our next step is to install a bond rule here that defines this bond as being made or broken during a transform. Use your Select tool, select the bond. This will activate the atom properties. So show properties, and you'll see in here this has now been configured for bonds. So we'll change this to make or break and click OK. You'll then get a marker. Simply hover above this to view the rule that's enforced. Click Find. We retrieve 8,730 reactions. Let's view some of these. We can hide conditions and scroll through some of these.